What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to accelerate your scooter, your E2 Pro, Ninebot E2 Pro scooter. So usually before any ride you just turn it on. Let's turn it on. Hold the power button. 1, 2, 3. Then it's on and you have this acceleration button. What you need to do first, you use your leg. Just put one leg on your scooter, second leg put on a side. And during the ride, what you need to do is to stamp here and just do this move. And at the same time, press acceleration button. So let me show you how it will work actually in real life condition. So actually in real life, when you need to reach at least 3 kilometers per hour, so you need to push a bit your scooter in the front. Then when you see around 3, you press the acceleration button and then your scooter will drive easily and fastly. Also, the speed depends on sport mode, driving mode, on eco mode. Acceleration will be higher or lower. If any other question, leave it in the comments below.